Tired of losing contact form submissions on your Hostinger website? I feel you. You set up a beautiful contact form, people are filling it out, but you have no idea where those messages actually go. Well, I'm going to show you exactly where they hide in Hostinger, so you can finally stop guessing and start managing those entries like a pro. So here's the plan. We're going to open your site editor, navigate to your contact page, and then I'll walk you through the Forms menu step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access every single submission. Alright, let's start by opening your Hostinger site builder. Head to your Hostinger dashboard and launch the website builder for the site you're working on. This is where all the magic happens, so take a second to let it fully load. Now click on the contact page from the pages list on the left-hand side. This will take you directly to where your contact form lives on the page. You might see your form here, but the submissions aren't stored on the page itself. We need to dig a little deeper. Look for the Subscribe Forms section in the left sidebar. It's usually grouped together with other form-related options. Now, this might seem a little confusing because we're looking for contact form submissions, not subscribe forms. But trust me, this is the right neighborhood. Next, click on Contact Forms right below that. This is the specific section that manages all your contact form data, not just the design of the form on the page. Now click the arrow forward icon to expand the contact form details. This little arrow reveals the hidden settings and the list of submissions you've been missing. If you don't see it, make sure you've actually selected the contact form first. Once it's expanded, click on the highlighted area that appears. This is your active form entry. Think of it as the main hub for that specific form on your site. Now click the More Options icon. It looks like 3 little dots. This is where the real control panel lives, and it's easy to overlook if you don't know it's there. And here you'll see all form submissions. Finally, every name, email, and message is listed right here in front of you. This is the moment it all comes together, and you can see exactly what people have been sending you. Now let's look at how to manage them. You can click on any individual submission to read the full details. The message body will open up so you can actually read what someone wrote, not just a preview. This is really handy if someone sends a long inquiry. You can also export or delete submissions as needed. Look for the Export button, usually in the top right corner. Click it and you can download all your submissions as a CSV file. This is perfect if you want to keep a backup or analyze the data in a spreadsheet. And if you need to clean things up, you can select individual entries and delete them. Just be careful with that delete button because there's no undo. So there you have it. No more wondering if your contact form is actually working. You now know exactly where Hostinger stores those submissions and how to manage them like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.